Hey everyone, this is going to be a really quick video, so I don't really have time to sit here all day for all of these makeup tutorials. So to get started, I am first applying some face primer to moisturize my skin, and of course I'm using foundation and blending that all into my face. So I'm using a darker shade to contour, and I found this the easiest just because you can buy a big bottle of foundation and have contour for days. So do your normal contour routine of the dark shades and the highlights and under your bags under your eyes and blend everything in. And then you can move on to setting that all in with, I guess, baking, it's setting powder. I call it baking powder, so, And then you want to prime your eyelids. I'm using this e.l.f. and it kind of whitens everything and makes the colors pop more. And I'm mainly using my Back to Brazil palette in the shades yellow, orange, and also black. I want to create an October-y Halloween smoky eye look, and I was just kind of winging it off of the inspiration from this bow that I bought from Michael's. So you'll kind of see you already saw it, but you know what I mean. So under my waterline, I am using the Sunset shade. I think it's Sunset, I don't know, the thing just passed really quickly, in my Solar Flare palettes, and I am highlighting the corners of my eyes, as well as lining my waterline with black eyeliner and filling in the top as well, so when I put on my mascara and false lashes, there's no gaps or anything. And I am doing my kitty cat eye winged liner with some black liquid liner. Of course, apply your mascara. I did not allow my liner to dry completely, so of course it transferred onto the top of my lid since I have hooded eyes, sort of. And so now I'm kind of drawing Halloween pictures. I got a creepy tree going on. I have a terrible looking bat, a gravestone, and whatever that works. I'm just kind of winging it here. So I just felt like doing like a little sunset going on in the background, and I don't know what that's supposed to be right there. It kind of looks like a person, so it could be a person flying over the moon, or I don't know. So, of course, if you're better at drawing, like this is literally the first time I'm ever doing anything like this, so it's not perfect, but I think, of course, the more you do, the more practice you'll have, the better it'll be, so, whatever. And I'm adding just some more trees, a couple of stars, and or birds in the background, and I was with my eyebrow gel, and after that, I will be brushing off all of the excess powder that's caked all over my face, and I'm putting my lashes on and my blush and all of that good stuff. I don't know if you want me to keep talking or not, but I'm using the orangey shade of lipstick because I didn't have any powdered blush that was bright enough that I liked. So, do what you do, highlight your face, add your lipstick. I chose black and stuck some glitter on, and some more lip gloss because that matte dries the I don't know what out of your lips. So since mine are huge, it really dries and cracks, so it looked a little crazy to me, so I needed to add something to it. But you're pretty much done. You can add your cat ears, your bow, whatever you want, a wig, who cares, and then, you're pretty much done. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon, whenever. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I will see you lovelies later.